Hi everyone. In this video, I'll teach you how to create a modern poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. Go to the Type tool and type the text. Change its case to upper and its font to impact regular. Right-click on it and choose Create Outline. Go to the Free Transform tool. Select the Free Distort tool. Hold the Shift button and drag. Follow the process. Go to the Line tool and draw an angled line here. Add a stroke of black color. Draw another straight line that starts from the first letter. Select both the lines, go to the Object menu, Blend, and Make. Then Blend and Blend options. Set the specified steps according to your word. In my case I need 16 lines, so I add 14 plus 2. Go to the Object menu again, and click on Expand. Right-click on the lines and choose Ungroup. Select the lines one by one and place. Follow the process. Select the first two lines, press Ctrl plus J to join them. Press twice to join from both ends. And repeat with other lines. And apply the black fill color. Now I have these colors which I apply to it. Apply the gradient to it. Select the first point from the gradient panel, hold the Shift button, use the eyedropper tool to select the color. Repeat with the other point. Use the gradient tool to make it smooth. Select all, right-click on it, and choose Group. Go to the Rectangle tool and create a rectangle of artboard size. Select both, right-click on them and choose Make Clipping Mask. Follow my other text settings. Go to the File menu, and Place. Select the image and click on the Place button. Hold the Alt button for a copy of it. Go to the Image Trace option, and choose Silhouette. Click on the Expand button. Add the Gaussian blur to it. Right-click on it and choose Cut. Double-click on the text to go inside the isolated mode. And paste it in front. Copy and paste the text. Open the Pathfinder and click on the Unite button. And go to the Object menu, Compound Path, and Make. Select the shadow and the text. Right-click on them and choose Make Clipping Mask. Bring down its opacity to 20%. And adjust its position. Draw a line. Open the Pathfinder, and click on the Divide button. Use the Shear tool to set the position. Select both and apply Gaussian blur. And opacity to 20%. Create a rectangle for the background. Add the gradient to it. Follow the process. Copy this layer and paste it in from. Add the grain texture to it. Change the blend mode to multiply. Set the opacity. Create another rectangle. Add color to it. Change its blend mode to hue. And you can change the color on it with one click. And that's it. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.